Today, a nice fellow walked into my shop and brought along this Martin. This baby has seen better days, and it probably has seen as many stories as I've seen over the decades of its life. Look at that top. But it's telling you somebody's getting a lot of use out of this baby and they're enjoying it. So, yeah, there's the pick marks there, grooving out. There's cracks all over. There's one big crack right there. There's many more. And you can see it's a nice crack. I kind of like cracks like that I can get the glue in there and pump it down in there by moving that up and down. And I'll put some nice supports back there. Ooh, that saddle has seen better days. It's lower because, of course, the neck needs resetting. The strings are a bit too high right now, so that's about as low as you can get that saddle. And over here, I'm going to take that fret out so I can drill down in there and heat that up. And that allowed me to slowly, hopefully easily, bring that neck out of there. You look under here. I felt in there with my hands. I didn't feel any kind of breaks, and visually here, everything looks good. So yeah, the braces are nice and strong. That's good news. So the top doesn't have to come off. Although these backings, these support shims here, they're a bit too thick in my opinion. So I'm going to make them just a little bit longer and thinner and go across the bulk of the crack. Yeah, before I glue it. That's it.